case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of Wyoming heard the Kendrick v. Barker case in 2001, involving a collision between Stephanie B. Kendrick and a Barker construction tractor-trailer. During a settlement conference, both parties tentatively agreed that Kendrick would receive $40,000 from Barker and release all personal injury claims. Later, Kendrick claimed that the agreement was invalid due to a mutual mistake, as she had been diagnosed with a closed head injury. However, the trial court granted summary judgment to Barker, stating that Kendrick had unequivocally accepted the offer and no mutual mistake occurred. Kendrick appealed the decision, but the court affirmed the trial court's ruling, upholding the contractual nature of releases or exculpatory agreements and emphasizing the importance of settling claims without litigation. It determined that mutual mistakes and economic duress were insufficient grounds for Kendrick to set aside the settlement agreement, granting Barker's motion.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.